Like everything or everyone has a name, hence we would also like to give a name to our test cases. So we can give a name on the class level with the @display name annotation and pass the name or the description. Whatever you are doing in this test, you can pass a description. Or we can also apply this @display name annotation on our method level to say what exactly is this particular method trying to test. So by that, if there are many test cases in your class, when you are running this test, you will understand with a clear description or output that yes, this test was trying to do this particular scenario check, or this particular test was checking for this particular scenario. So it will be easy and more user friendly outcome of your test results if you give them names or description with the @display name annotation. If you don't give, that's fine, but if you give, it is more user friendly. Thank you. Let's continue in the next video.